In Cook County, the majority of the cases we handle through county services, whether it's criminal prosecution or child protection, child welfare, involves substance use in some way.
On a nationwide basis, there's been lots of information indicating that we have an opiate crisis at this point in time. Cook County is not immune to that. In addition to that, Cook County has seen a significant number of people that have been plagued with methamphetamine use. The combination of those two certainly keep our courts far busier than we would like them to be. People that have committed crimes in the past ended up in prison, and prisons didn't have the appropriate facilities and resources necessary to actually get to the core of the problem. As a result of that, people would go to prison, they would come back out basically untreated, end up in prison again, come back out untreated, and it was this vicious cycle. Recovery court is an alternative to traditional crime and punishment models.
Substance Use Recovery Court works not just because of the increased accountability for participants, but because of the positive reinforcement that's built into this model. Traditional criminal justice does not dole out praise or positive reinforcement. It's strictly a punitive model. And with Recovery Court, we are giving them positive feedback if they are making positive changes in their lives.
The treatment courts are comprised of team members from various backgrounds, the judge, the prosecutor, the defense attorney, but also includes representatives from law enforcement, human services, probation, treatment providers. All of the people that come from these various backgrounds can be tremendous assets to this team and can all offer different perspectives that may assist in their recovery process.
People who go through this program have an increased ability to care for themselves. We've helped build supports around them. We've helped teach them how to live in a drug-free environment. They come out with a job. They come out with the ability to pay child support or to support their children, whereas they may not have had that before.
As a judge, there are a lot of things that we do in this courtroom that aren't a lot of fun. It certainly is not fun to send somebody to prison. It's certainly not fun to see families torn apart and handle the divorces, child custody, child protection matters. But every once in a while we get to do some things that are very special, and one of the best things that I get to do is see people in their successful recovery through the treatment courts. To watch somebody graduate from our program, to turn their lives around from total devastation to something that's positive, not only for themselves, but for their families and for society. It's really, really special to be able to be involved in a program like this that is truly meaningful to many, many lives.
We would ask if people are supportive of this model and believe it can be effective to help solve problems in Cook County, that you consider making a donation, either a financial donation or donating a gift card or another incentive, perhaps a warm pair of mittens or some other comfort for these folks who are in the beginning of their recovery from drugs and alcohol.